goodbye.
So let's see it go.
Woo.
A big swirl right here.
That interior, bro. That red interior. Oh my God.
Well, we got some good tire light actually. Oh, here it is. I can't read that. 4425. Okay, they're
Okay. The only year old.
Only year old. That's good. Sure. Definitely not in the best shape. Definitely not in the best shape.
You missed that, huh?
I missed that.
He used to have a GSF.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's not. Okay, yeah, I'm convinced. That did it for me. Oh, helping for you.
Thank you. The weight.
Yeah.
I was gonna say Wednesday.
It's like
Hot though.